The Betway Premiership is finally back. We have missed the Betway Premiership so much. And the first match of the 2026 calendar year, it is the defending champions Mamelodi Sundowns taking on Orbit College. So go to the comment section, guys, and give me your predictions. What are your predictions for this match? And did you miss the Betway Premiership action? How much did you miss the Betway Premiership action? So we are previewing that match between Mamelodi Sundowns and Orbit College. Okay, so let's get to it, guys. It is the Betway Premiership post AFCON resumption. Mamelodi Sundowns versus Orbit College. It is the defending champions versus the newly promoted side. Date it is Monday, January 19, 2026. Venue it is Loftus Versfeld Stadium in Pretoria. So it is the home match for the defending champions Mamelodi Sundowns. Kickoff time it is 7:30 South African Standard Time. The context: this is the first league match for both sides following the conclusion of the 2025 AFCON in Morocco, right, which ended just 24 hours prior to this match. Sundowns are in a relentless pursuit of Orlando Pirates at the top of the table, while Orbit College is fighting for survival in their historic debut top flight season. It hasn't been an easy season for the newly promoted side, Orbit College. Also, now remember also there's Monapule Saleng, who spent the first part of the season at Orbit College on loan from Orlando Pirates. But you know that Orlando Pirates has now sold Monapule Saleng to Mamelodi Sundowns. So we've got this Orbit College side taking on Mamelodi Sundowns without a Monapule Saleng, who was appointed their captain. Right? The team previews. Mamelodi Sundowns, the perennial champions, entered 2026 in second place, trailing the Buccaneers by 2 points, of course, having played one match more than Orlando Pirates. Okay. While several key players like Ronan Williams, Tebo Mokoena, Khudiso Munda were in Morocco for the AFCON, Sundowns B team has been training intensely in a mid-season camp in Dubai. They remain the most dominant possession side in the league, averaging 64% per game. The big question is how quickly their returning AFCON stars will be integrated back into the starting 11. For the Orbit College, the Cinderella story of South African football, promoted in June 2005 from the TVET sector, the Northwest-based side has had a rude awakening in the Premiership. Sitting in 13th place, they went into the AFCON break on a dismal 3-game losing streak, including a heavy 3-0 defeat to Durban City. For them, a trip to Loftus is the ultimate David versus Goliath scenario. Key players to watch. On the Mamelodi Sundowns side, Irkham Reyners, who is a striker. With 6 goals this season, he is the league's most clinical finisher. His fresh legs, having not gone to AFCON, will be vital. Then on the Orbit College side, right, it is Siyabonga Merane, right, the goalkeeper. Team news and injuries. Mamelodi Sundowns Themba Zwane is a major doubt due to age-related load management after a grueling year. Grant Kekana is recovering from a hamstring strain. Expect Coach Miguel Cardoso to rotate heavily, potentially giving right a chance to players who did not travel with Bafana to AFCON. Right. For Orbit College, they have a fully fit squad, but of course, I've also said that they are missing a Monapule Salem, who has now joined the Mamelodi Sundowns permanently from Orlando Pirates. Head-to-head and form. Historical edge, there's none. This is the first ever official meeting between the two clubs. The Sundowns form coming to this match, it is 3 wins and 2 draws. unbeaten in 8 league games. Orbit College coming to this match, looking at the previous 5 league matches, it is 3 defeats and 2 wins. Right? They lost momentum before the AFCON break. The focus and prediction. The post-tournament slump. Sundowns often struggle in the first game back after a major international tournament due to the fatigue of their core spine. However, Orbit College's lack of top-flight experience makes them the perfect opponent for Sundowns to warm up against. The match pattern: expect 60 to 70 possession for Mamelodi Sundowns. Orbit College will likely park a triple-decker bus, hoping to catch Sundowns on a pacey transition. If Sundowns score in the first 20 minutes, it could turn into a rout. If Orbit holds out until halftime, the pressure at Loftus will become palpable. The scoreline prediction is 3-0 to Mamelodi Sundowns. That's my prediction. What are your predictions, guys? Go to the comment section and give me your predictions, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Devos Kosana. The name of the platform is Mzansi Total Football. Thank you very much.